What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. Today we got an awesome watch face to check out. Yes, the weekend has made it. This guy is giving away some free watch face codes to many different countries like the UK, the US, Canada, Japan, Kenya, Italy, Ireland, Greece, France, and a host of other countries as well. So if I didn't call out your country, does not necessarily mean that I don't have a watch face code for you. But you do have to comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win. Leave me your name and your country. But for those of you all who already have your email, you already have my email, you're all good. With that being said, let's go ahead and kick off this review. Now, the developer goes by the name of MWF. This guy does an awesome job on watch faces. Do not sleep on this guy. And the name of the watch face I'm going to leave going right across the screen because I found it hard to pronounce the name of this watch face. But in the AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice in this mode as it does when the watch face is on. But when it's on, I really like the sporty look of this watch face. I'm loving the stylish hands, and also the second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch looks just as awesome with a red tip. Now, the black background really brings out all three colors, your red, your blue, and your yellow. And I'm loving the look of the index as well. You get a real traditional look out of this watch face. Now, you will get the best of both worlds because you're going to get digital time to your right. To your left, you will get your date information. Down at the bottom, you're going to get battery info, steps, your heart rate. At the top, it is interactive. You can go in and set your watch however you see fit. And if I tap down here, I can get my step info, calories burned, floors climbed. All my step status info is right there. If I tap right here, I can go into my calendar, set an event. Now, if I want to right here, I can set an alarm. And if I tap in the center, I can find my phone. I thought the developer did an excellent job on this watch face, and we're going to give him 3 thumbs up. Now, don't forget, in order to participate in the giveaway, you got to comment in the comment section down below, and also make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos. All right, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.